Namaskar, dear Rourkelites. After 30 months of serving Rourkela Steel Plant as the Chief Executive Officer, the time has come for me to leave. Let me begin by saying how privileged I feel to have had the opportunity to serve this great organization and the people of Rourkela. I truly feel that my stint at RSP has been enriching, fulfilling and invaluable in every way. When I started my tenure here as the CEO, I was quite enthusiastic and at the same time apprehensive. I was taking over the reins of a steel plant with a great heritage of being the first PSU steel plant of the country that was set up soon after the independence of India to play the role of a torchbearer in the Industrial Revolution. I was also fascinated by the green and beautiful steel city, which is considered as a jewel in the crown of Odisha. I was brimming with ideas to take the steel plant and the steel city to a greater heights of glory. But first, I wanted to know and understand the people of Rourkela, their expectations and aspirations, so that I can align the goals of the plant with the people. Hence, I tried to reach out to every segment of employees as well as Rourkelites in general. I would like to say here that I was overwhelmed with your love, affection and warmth. When the world faced the devastating and unforeseen challenges of COVID-19, RSP had to be kept running as it is a public utility services. It has a number of sensitive processes and equipments that if stopped, it would take a very long time to return to normalcy, thereby leading to equipment damage and huge loss for this national asset. I can't thank all of you enough for the unstinted support I had received from every corner during those dark days. We went ahead, took proactive steps like setting up of the virology lab, quarantine, isolation, treatment and many other centers as well as ICU and ventilator facilities that not only helped in containing the disease to a great extent but also earned applause from the highest authorities. Even the first citizen of the country, the Honorable President of India, praised our endeavors during his visit to Rourkela to dedicate the Ispat Postgraduate Institute and Super Speciality Hospital. In fact, we could complete the setting up of the massive and modern hospital within 2 years in spite of the COVID-19 pandemic challenges. The list is unending. When the support extended by you helped RSP not only survive but thriving during these difficult times. I would like to share with you that in the year 2021, RSP for the first time in its history achieved the targets given to it by SAIL management. The steel plant also returned to profitability with a huge margin. I would like to reiterate the support of all the other stakeholders of ours in every endeavor of ours. My sincere thanks go to the RSP Collective, trade unions and executive association, our sister units in SAIL, the CISF unit at RSP, the central government and state government agencies, the local administration and police, Chamber of Commerce, small scale industries, the business community and the members of the media for their continued support. Today, RSP stands on the threshold of many achievements and new beginnings. I might be leaving today, but I am waiting to see RSP and the city of Rourkela touching new peaks of glory as a smart city reverberating with achievements at the state, national and global levels. I might be physically away from Rourkela, but the fond memories of this place will be always close to my heart. I and my wife would once again like to extend our heartfelt thanks to each one of you for your generous shower of love, affection, kindness and thoughtfulness. Our best wishes will always be with you. Thank you. Namaskar.